lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, have you subscribed? Please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on it and subscribe and join this amazing family for your beauty receipt. I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of beetroot and carrot. Alright guys, please make sure you watch this video to the very end, as I'm going to be illustrating and also explaining to you how beneficial this is to our body. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you the amazing benefits of drinking carrot and beetroot. The amazing benefits of this drink cannot be emphasized, guys, as it has so many benefits on your skin and also your overall body system. So I will advise you to watch patiently and then learn this amazing benefit. Like everybody who wants you, in fact, you want to be in good shape, you need to be taking this every day of your life. Even if it's not every day, even if it's just 3 times a week or 2 times in a week, this is a drink that will solve most of our beauty problems. So I'm going to be telling you one by one what it does right now. You want a glowing skin? Subscribe to beetroot and carrot. This magic drink contains vitamin C that helps prevent skin pigmentation, thereby giving you an even skin tone and glowing skin. Beetroot and carrot are good sources of minerals that helps repair the lifeless hair and further reduce the chances of breakage. This super combination helps cure inflammation thanks to the presence of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that help cure inflammation. Beetroot and carrot help relieve constipation by stimulating the metabolic system. The phytonutrient in these veggies help boost the digestive system. Carrots are loaded with fibers that not only balance blood sugar level but also keep the gut healthy. This juice helps improve blood flow as beetroots are considered to be nitrate food. So guys, this should be a regular drink because drinking a glass of beetroot juice and carrot regularly helps cleanse the blood of toxin. It purifies the blood and leads to healthy glowing skin. So guys, watch patiently and see all the procedures. After that, I will advise you to take this juice consistently for 1 month and then come back to the comment section and tell me how your skin is looking, how your overall body system is looking. So guys, you can take this juice every day if you can, but if you cannot, you can take it 3 times in a week, and even once a week is okay. It's better than nothing. So guys, our drink is ready. You can either drink it like this, or you drink it with the fiber. If you want to drink it with the fiber, you don't need to sieve it, you just drink it like that. Most times I drink it with the fiber. It's just that you drinking it with the fiber most times kind of
you don't drink very fast, you know, it wastes your time because you need to drink and chew, while most times I just drink, just sieve it and drink. But there's one thing I want to tell you guys, that this drink is so amazing. Like, I don't know how to just exaggerate it so that you can just try this out and see the amazing benefit for yourself.
Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful.